I am Narayan Gad, Nodal Officer for Persons with Disability. Today we have conducted here a training for intellectual disabled on voting process. The Election Commission of India has come up with a concept called accessible election, which means that no voter should be left out. Now, to take that concept forward, we have conducted this training today for intellectual disabled. We, through a mock poll, we demonstrated them what exactly is the situation and scenario within the polling station, the roles and responsibilities of first polling, second polling, third polling, and then hands-on training on the EVMs. Many of the participants here, they exercise their own franchise while after learning this process here. The whole concept of organizing this training program is, though there is a provision for a companion, the whole thrust is that these persons with disabilities should be able to exercise their voting rights without the help of a companion, so that they can exercise their voting rights on their own without any help. This is a third training. Earlier we had taken a training for visually impaired voters, where we train the voters on Braille and using Braille how to cast their vote. We had taken help of trained Braille expert for training those voters. After that, we had conducted one training for hearing impaired voters. 91 such voters had participated in that training. We had taken help of a trained sign language interpreter for training those voters. This is the third training for intellectual disabled voters. Around 90 such voters who had the voting cards, and some of their parents were present here for the training, and they have taken the advantage and benefit of this training.
So total, how many such candidates are? How many voters are there eligible?
Persons with disability in North Goa are 3,471. That is what the data we have got. All those persons with disability are mapped into. They have their voting cards, and the BLOs are given the details of those persons with disabilities. So whenever these persons with disabilities, they go to the voting booth or polling booth, the BLO sitting out there is having a details of those, so that whatever other facilities which are available for disabled, the BLO can give them the preferential voting.
So this special type of cards are given for this elected cards are given. How do you identify them?
The BLO who is sitting outside the polling station will be having the full details of these voters.
Okay.
So once the voter identifies to the BLO that I am a person with disability, that voter will be given preference in the voting by the BLO. So BLOs have been sensitized. The polling staff has been sensitized about the various facilities which are made available for persons with disability.
So South Goa report do you have?
No, I am only nodal officer for North Goa.
As far as elections are concerned, how much is the preparation been got ready for this disabled?
As I said, we have been giving them continuous trainings so that they can exercise their voting rights. Chief Electoral Officer also taking care of Braille EVM, Braille slips and Braille epics. But that is being taken care by Chief Electoral Officer.
And infrastructure for the...
Infrastructure, we are continuously working on the infrastructure. The assured minimum facilities which are to be given to the persons with disabilities, we are very sure that we will put in place all those assured facilities.